I think what makes us successful is the people we have working for us out in the field, in the office. Our owner makes us successful. We're able to make this place a fun place to come to work. People look forward to coming to work here, and that culture has been really important to us, and I think that's going to pay dividends in the end. We're going to have a great group of guys. We're going to keep growing. We're starting to be that company now that guys are like, oh, you work for Burks? That was probably the biggest selling point of why I came to Burks, was the whole culture. And we get to build some pretty neat projects here in town and around the state of Idaho. Typically, you can build a model in 2-3 hours. You can be done with the model. So from there, we put it into our GPS rover base station, go out, localize the project. Once the project's localized, we place it into all the equipment that's going to be using it, our dozers and excavators and grader. So we started using Smart Construction Remote probably 6 months ago. And the big thing with us, why we really like it, is we can jump on the computer in our office, we can jump on their machines, look at them real time, help guys out, where before it was taking with our area, we could drive 2 hours to go help somebody with an issue on GPS. And it usually was a 5-minute fix, 10-minute fix, and we were done, where now it's a really, truly 5-minute, 10-minute fix from wherever our guys are working. And even here in town, driving to one of our projects in Jerome can be an hour out of somebody's day to go help with the GPS. And now we can do it in less than 15 minutes and have the site rolling again. So it's really made a big change in how we do our day-to-day operations. So here's the list of all of our machines that we have. Look here, and these are the machines that are actually working right now and online. We can troubleshoot for the guys. We can go in here and upload files, and then you can just drag it right into that box and drop it, and that'll load your TN3s, your LN3s, or your TP3s, whatever you want to load, and it'll put it right in the machine for you. So using the remote system, it's hard to really put a number on it, but you figure a guy out of the office, his billable time's $80 an hour. So I don't know, I'd say probably every time we have a GPS issue, it's saving us, not daily, but 2 or 3 times a week we have these issues. So I'd say it's a pretty good cost savings over the year to have that. Compared, it's really inexpensive to purchase it. One time of using it pays for itself, is what I figure. Like, I walked into one of our estimator's offices yesterday, and he had it open, was going through some stuff with a guy, and it wasn't even really an issue with GPS. It was more just talking about the project, and the guy was able to sit in his dozer and look at the same screen that the estimator was looking at and be able to just talk the project. This is what this line means, this is what this line means, rather than it being, okay, I got to run out to the job and we'll talk about it and I'll walk through it with the rover. And so it saved an hour of time for the estimator and the operator, right? He was back to work within 15 minutes rather than standing there waiting for somebody to show up. And so they're all across the board saving multiple people time.